And job seekers are again reminded against dealing with illegal or unlicensed recruiters. The reminder was issued during a job fair in Davao City. Angel Diliera reports.
Filipinos open-minded to the idea of not discriminating kababayan or other fellow Filipinos to work abroad, but instead encouraging them to seek employment outside the country with the hopes of good opportunity. Other times, due to the huge band of people wanting to work overseas, they unfortunately come across swindlers who lured them by promising a job abroad given that they spend big amounts of money to get the dream. These are best called as illegal recruiters. Examples of these are consultancy firms, training centers, travel agencies, and foundations, as mentioned in the pre-employment seminar spearheaded by the Philippine Overseas Employment Administration, or the POEA, yesterday afternoon in SM City, Davao. If you are at least 18 years old, a high school graduate, experienced work for 2 years already with no medical or legal impediment, you may be qualified for an overseas employment. According to Carolina Pinky Agdamag, Regional Director of POEA, accredited agencies who promises jobs abroad should have a legit POEA license. For further verification of the agency's legitimacy, go to www.poea.gov.ph to see if their company is listed among the POEA licensed recruitment agencies. She also discussed the differences of an agency hiring, name or direct hiring, and government hiring.
Meron din tayo. We also have it available on the website. So yung mga gusto mag-inquire kung may lisensyado o hindi, they can always browse sa website natin, yung www.poea.gov.ph. So doon makikita nila lahat ng agencies. Kiklik lang nila kung anong agency yun. Malalaman nila kung lisensyado o hindi. Nakalagay yung expiration. Tapos, importante, yung job order.
For additional queries such as on how to avoid illegal recruitment or where to go if you are victimized by an illegal recruiter and the like, just look it up again at www.poea.gov.ph. Ms. Agdamag also mentioned that the said job fair was beyond her expectations, having reached more than 300 of the expected participants.
Sumobra tayo sa quota. No? Yeah, so we expected around 300 lang sana, but I think it's running 5 already ng mga tao. So, at least maganda-gandang senyales, no, na interested ang mga taong makinig kung ano ba ang tamang proseso, kung ano ba yung programa ng gobyerno natin.
For People's Television, Angel Pizarro Diliera.